Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learn with GBR Vlogs. In the previous video, we have learnt about the topic is comparing decimals and their related problems. Now, in this video, we are going to learn the topic is using decimals. Using decimals class 6. Now, we can use the decimals in many ways in the day-to-day life. For example, to representing money and to representing weight and to the representing the length, use the decimals. So, let us see now how to use the decimals to represent the money. So, now how to use the decimals to represent the money. So, here we know that 1 rupee it is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee it is equal to 100 paise. Then 5 rupee it is equal to 500 paise. And then 1 paise it is equal to 1 by 100 rupee. 1 by 100 rupee. So, to represent 4 to 5, 425 paise into rupees. That is equal to 425 paise it is equal to, here 1 paise it is equal to rupee 1 by 100. Same can be written as in this 425 paise it is equal to 425 by 100 rupees. Okay. So, now we can write this, it is equal to rupees 4.25 paise. 4.25 rupees. Similarly, see this 1 paise it is equal to rupee 1 by 100, that is equal to 0.01 rupees. Okay. Similarly, rupees 4.25. So, while representing the paise in terms of rupees, we use the decimal points here. So, now similarly, we can use the decimals while representing the length. Representing the length. We know that 1 meter it is equal to 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. Then 1 centimeter it is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Now, this can be written as 0.01 meters. So, then 5 centimeters it is equal to 5 by 100 meters. This can be written as 0.05 meters. Then 750 centimeters. It is equal to 700 plus 50 cm. 750 cm it is equal to 700 plus 50 cm. This can be written as 700 centimeters means 7 meters plus 50 centimeters. This can be written as 7 meters 50 centimeters means 50 by 100 meters. Here 7 meters. Again this can be written as 7.50 meters. Okay. Okay. Now next, while representing the weight also we use the decimal point. While representing weight also we can use the decimal point. As we know that 1 kg it is equal to 1000 grams. then 1000 grams it is equal to 1 kg. Then 1 gram it is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. This can be written as 0.001 kg. Okay. Similarly, 7 grams it is equal to 7 by 1000 kilograms. That is equal to, this can be written as 0.007 kilograms. So, when we represent the grams into kilograms, then we use the decimals, and even when we represent the paise into rupees, then we use the decimal points. And also when we represent the centimeters to meters, then we use the decimal numbers. Okay. Now let us solve few problems based on the using decimal numbers. So let us see the first question. Express as rupees using decimals. Here paise is given, so this should be expressed in terms of rupees. So let us see the first one. A is 5 paise. 5 paise is given. As we know that 1 rupee it is equal to 100 paise. This can be written as 100 paise it is equal to rupee 1. Then 1 paise it is equal to 1 by 100 rupee. This can be written as 0.01 rupee. 0.01 rupee. Similarly, 5 paise it is equal to 5 by 100 rupees. That is equal to 0.05 rupees. The next one, 75 paise is given. This should be in terms of rupees. Okay. As we know that 1 paise it is equal to rupee 1 by 100. That is equal to 0.01 rupee. Similarly, 75 paise it is equal to 75 by 100 rupees. 75 by 100 rupees. This can be written as 0.75 rupees. 75 paise it is equal to, therefore, rupees 0.75. Next, 50 rupees 90 paise. 50 rupees plus 90 paise. This can be written as this. That is equal to rupees 50 plus 90 paise means 90 by 100 rupees. That is equal to rupees 50 plus 90 by 100. That is equal to 0.90. This is equal to rupees 50.90 rupees. 50.90 rupees. Okay. Now let us see the next question, that is second one. Express as meters using decimals. Here the centimeters given, we should convert into meters by using decimal points. As we know that first number is A question 15 cm. As we know that 1 meter it is equal to 100 centimeters. Then 1 centimeter it is equal to 1 by 100 meters. This can be written as 0.01 meters. Similarly, 15 centimeters it is equal to 15 by 100 centimeters. Now this can be written as 0.15 centimeters. Okay, now let us see the next one, that is 2 meters and 45 centimeters. 2 meters. This can be written as 2 meters plus 45 centimeters. This equal to 2 meters 45 centimeters means 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Similarly, 45 centimeters it is equal to 40 by 500 meters. That is equal to 2 meters plus 40 by 500. This can be written as 0.45 meters. And this is equal to 2.45 meters. So next one, 419 cm. 419 cm given. This can be written as 400 plus 19 cm. That is equal to 400 centimeters. In this, 100 centimeters equal to 1 meters. 400 centimeters equal to 4 meters plus 19 centimeters. This can be written as 19 by 100 meters. That is equal to 4 meters plus this can be written as 0.19 meters. That is equal to 4.19 meters. Okay. Now let us see the next question, that is third one. Express as centimeters using decimals. We should convert into millimeters to centimeters using decimals. First one is 5 millimeters. As we know that 10 millimeters it is equal to 1 centimeters. Then 1 millimeter it is equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. Similarly, 5 millimeters it is equal to 5 by 10 centimeters. This can be written as 0.5 centimeters. Next, 60 millimeters. As we know that 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. Here 60 millimeters. Here 10 millimeters it is equal to 1 cm. Then 60 millimeters it is equal to, directly we write 6 centimeters. Next, 164 millimeters. This can be written as 100 plus 60 plus 4 millimeters. As we know that 10 millimeters it is equal to 1 centimeter. Here 100 millimeters it is equal to 10 centimeters plus 60 millimeters, that can be written as 6 centimeters plus 4 millimeters it is equal to 4 by 10 centimeters. Here 10 plus 6, 16 plus 4 by 10 means 0.4 centimeters. This can be written as 16.4 centimeters. Next one, 9 centimeters and 8 millimeters. 9 centimeters, 8 millimeters. That is equal to, as we know that 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeters. Here already 9 centimeters plus 8 millimeters it is equal to 8 by 10 centimeters. That is equal to 9 centimeters plus 0.8 centimeters. This can be written as 9.8 centimeters. Now let us see the next question, that is fourth one. Express as kg using animals. Kg means kilograms. First given grams, we convert into kilograms, grams to kilograms by using decimals. First 2 grams. As we know that 1000 grams it is equal to 1 kilogram. 1 gram it is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. Similarly, 2 grams it is equal to 2 by 1000 kilograms. This can be written as 0.002 kilograms. Next, 100 grams. 100 grams, that is equal to 100 by, as we know that 1 gram it is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. 100 grams it is equal to 100 by 1000 kilograms. This can be written as 0.100 kilograms. Next, 3750 grams. This can be written as 300 plus 750 grams. As we know that 1000 grams it is equal to 1 kg. Here 3000 grams it is equal to 3 kg plus 750 grams it is equal to 750 by 1000 kilograms. This can be written as 3 kg plus 0.750 kilograms. That is equal to 3.750 kilograms. Okay friends, if you like this video, like, share and comment. If you want more videos, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you friends.